Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we're going to continue doing AI social media suites. And we're going to do the second tool that's in that suite. So let's jump right into it. So again, when you log in, you're going to be in the back end. And then you're going to go over to the side panel and you're going to click AI suites. AI social media suites. And then we're going to choose the tool that we're working on today is AI RSS. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with RSS feeds is where websites have feeds where you use a tool, RSS tool, extension, or a website that actually tracks that and allows you to get information from that particular website. So if you are a person who likes AI tools or finance tools or anything, finance news or AI news, you can actually use tools out there and websites where you can actually get information only specifically about that. Okay, so that's specifically what you can use our RSS feeds. Now, what I'm going to do is show you everything about here, what's inside this tool, and then I'm going to show you which extension, which is a Chrome extension that I use to get my RSS feeds. Okay, so let's jump right into this. Okay, so when you go into the AI RSS tool, you're going to see something similar to the one like YouTube. But the difference is that I will show you that in a second, that you can actually put an RSS feed in here and you can see all of the content on that blog or news information, all of that. And you can select which one you want to use to write content about. Okay. So if you are using your own brand, so if you have a website and you have RSS feed on your website and you want to turn into content, you can do that as well, as you can see. Okay. So, and then you could do as many different bulk posts as you would like as well. Okay. So this is where your RSS feed will go, and I'll show you in a second what that is. And then you could choose what kind, right here is when you put that in, you can select which title of from the RSS feed you want to use. And I'll show you in a second as well. So you can do it in different languages. You can determine how lengthy you want it. You can use creativity again, and you can choose different type of tones. And you can also choose different models as well. Okay. So the tool that I use for my Chrome extension to see if a website has an RSS feed is this one right here. So this one is called Get RSS Feed URL. So this will allow you to get RSS feeds on different type of websites or individual pages. So if the website uses RSS feeds, you can actually grab the RSS feed and use that for your content. So this is what I use, okay? I use this particular one. And there's other ones inside Google Chrome extension you can use. I just find out this one works pretty well, okay? So again, you should have this, or you can use a website that actually tracks them, and there's lots of them out there, okay? So let's jump back into the tool. So I'm going to grab the RSS feed that I have, and I'm going to paste that in here. Let me get rid of these. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. Now what you do is you hit this right here, and what it's going to do is it's going to populate the bottom where it has titles. Now, you say, for instance, a particular one that you want to use and you say, oh, that's not it. But if you click on it, it's going to give you options of all of the RSS feed titles in that website. Okay. So that's one thing too that's good, is that you can get the main RSS feed in there. Like this one is the openai.com blog /RSS feed.xmi. So that is basically all the blog posts that OpenAI is doing. Okay. So what you can do is you could choose which one you want to write about. So I'm choosing about the new the new browser that OpenAI came up with. So I'll click on that. So it's going to populate that automatically for me. So I don't have to like keep on going and looking. So it's going to populate. I'm going to leave it in English. I'm going to leave it at 1500. I want to do more or less. I wanted to do good writing, and I wanted to do professional, basically, or both. Let's do both, right? So that way it lets people out know what's going on. And then I'm going to choose the ChatGPT 5 to give me more detail. So what you do is you hit generate. And again, if you've seen the last tutorial where I did the AI YouTube, it's going to write the article right here. Okay. And it's going to put it in here. in details for you to use as content. And again, you can use this tool inside here to edit it. You can edit it, rewrite it, you can add links, you can add images. I suggest that you use the AI editor for that. That way you get more detailed editing tools inside. So once it's all done, it's going to break it down. Again, this is only 1,500 words. It's not very long. And it just basically it used the information from the RSS feed and wrote a small little blog for me. Okay? Simple as that, as you can see. And again, you can download this into Word document, HTML. You can edit in here, add images, add links. You can copy and paste it anywhere. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. Again, don't forget to give it a name. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to give it a name, and I'm hit save. So that when I go to my docs, I can see this in my Word doc, in my docs, okay? And again, I'm going to show you again that if you go to my Word docs right here, it's going to show you it's going to break it down to show you exactly what you use to create that content. So it was an AI RSS feed, and it's right here. So if I want to edit it, all I got to do is just open it up, and it's going to allow me to use the editor again, and then I can just hit edit here, and it's going to bring it over to the editor, and then I can edit what I want inside here. Okay. Again, if you see the tutorial how to use the editor, this is what you can do in here if you watch that tutorial. So this is how you will create your content by using RSS feed. It's very good to have this tool, because simple fact is that if you are having issues or you are having blank and you don't know what to write about, you can use these tools, this RSS feed, to get you basically like an outline. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, keep on watching them. There's going to be some more coming. I just wanted to show you exactly the breakdown of how to use AI RSS. Okay, and again, it's a great tool to use. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, and you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.